Teaching Filipino martial arts to cousin Kuya Jeff.
It's so even two hands. Yeah. Oh, here. So the thing, yeah, you do that. So this is your marking when you want to go out. So for example, here, so you have to place it like here. Okay. So this is your blade. So you want the blade to go out. So like for example, yeah.
Oh.
Right. Okay, so if someone's grabbing you, like more. Yeah.
So where the thumb is.
Yes. Where the thumb is. So you have to do that. Then, for example, a big man, really big than you. So, like for example, here, then you can get it, right? So all you have to do is grab your thumb right here, like this one, and then so you have additional strength. So that is because here, so just you have to overlap your thumb, and then that's the you're good. And the one, right? And then there's one thing like I just love it. Alright, basically.
Are you like a teacher?
Yeah. Well, basically, when someone is like in emergency cases, they teach us even in security, you know. So when there's an active shooting, so they taught us like EHE. EHE means E for evacuate, H for hide, and T for the last resort. If you cannot evacuate or hide, then when there's an active shooter, you have to take them. So when someone trying to rob or snatch, you want to fight. So but close contact, so you want to struggle or but the technique is when you want to struggle someone, use the anatomy. So you struggle here, not here. It's because when you push down like here, it's kind of like
Where you can breathe.
yeah. No, you feel it right?
Yeah, I feel it.
It kind of yeah.
Hard to breathe.
Yes. So that's the technique there.
I'm never in an active shoot.
No, not just an active shooting, but in some emergency cases as well. You can use that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for that lesson.
Well, it comes and goes. It's on me kasi it's because I've been teaching for how many years now. Even in first year.